Hello friends, today I will show you how to Clicktag ad on Google App Designer. So I just share you a dummy on the dummy banner. So first of all you need to go on the component section, then you drag tab area, drag to on the your banner, then need to size, define on the size 300 and 250. This is my banner size, that's why I added the banner size. Okay, then you need to click on the mouse right button, add event, tab area, touch and click. Then you can click on the Google Ads, custom. You can add the custom and page, timeline. I will just add the exit. Alright, Google Ad. Then you can add the click tag. Then you can add the URL. Like and the custom. Go. If you look, this is the right. So thank you for the watching. If you have any problem, just comment on the YouTube. I will take care. Thank you. Bye bye.